Mr. Burkfield, go ahead and record the experiment log.
Alright. This experiment is to test if a human being with no knowledge of a certain environment can survive there based off natural instinct. Is that good?
Your hypothesis, sir?
Oh, right. My hypothesis is that the test subject will not be able to survive on natural instinct in this forest.
Very good, sir. Let's get started.
Oh, I can't kill you. I'm a gentle giant. But what are you doing in my forest?
I don't know,
Come on now! Time is lumber, let's hear it!
I just woke up here. I don't know where I am. I've never seen a place like this before.
What do you mean you've never seen a place like this before? Haven't you ever been in a forest? What's your name?
On my wrist, there's the numbers 5 and 2.
Like the numbers 52? That's what we'll call you, 52. Hey there, 52. I'm Yorgen.
What is that thing?
What is what? That? That's a bird.
A bird?
My God, what is this? Well, my slack-jawed, gender-bending little friend, a bird is part of the animal kingdom. There are 5 basic kingdoms. The animals, the plants, the protists, the fungi, and the bacteria. The animal kingdom is split into 2 main groups, the vertebrate and the invertebrate. A vertebrate is an animal with a backbone, much like me. An invertebrate is an animal without a backbone, more like you. Animals are also heterotrophs, which means they cannot produce their own food. Therefore, civilians like you go to McDonald's. Therefore, lumberjacks like me chop up a grizzly, our sworn enemies. Anyways, the different types of animals are mammals, reptiles, amphibians, fish, insects, and birds. You, my friend, are just barely a mammal.
You said there were 5 kingdoms, right? What about all the others?
All in good time. Come now, the wonders of the forest await.
Mr. Burkfield,
What?
there's been a problem with the experiment.
What is it?
The experiment has come in contact with another human.
I thought you said this forest was empty.
You told me you verified this yourself, did you not?
The experiment's ruined. Get the tracker ready. We have to go retrieve the test subject.
And that explains the inherent moral corruption of laissez-faire economics. Let's stop here, and I'll explain to you the plant kingdom. But, what's that on your foot?
I don't really know. It says tracking device.
Well, I don't like it. I don't like witchcraft. Take it off. And furthermore, you're not wearing the proper attire. Here, take this spare flannel. Excellent work. Plants are basically the opposite of animals. They're autotrophs, which means they produce their own food through a process called photosynthesis. In photosynthesis, a plant takes in sunlight and water to produce organic compounds which it consumes as food. Not all plants, however, are true autotrophs. Some, like the Venus flytrap.
What's a Venus flytrap?
What's a Venus flytrap? The Venus flytrap is the most vicious, man-eating plant in the world, and it will bite your head clean off. Moving on, aside from being the most stationary of kingdoms, the plant kingdom is also the most fascinating. Take, for instance, a particular Norway spruce found in the Dalarna province of Sweden. Its trunk has been calculated to be roughly 600 years old. However, its root system is nearly 10,000 years old, making it the oldest living organism in the world. As I'm sure you can tell, the plant kingdom is quite daunting. I mean, this tree saw ancient grizzlies. We're talking cave bears. Come now, this way. There is so much more of scholarly interest to us.
What's taking it so long?
It's located.
We're so screwed. The Academy's gonna tongue punch our fart box for this. Do you have them yet?
Got it! 4 miles south from here.
Let's go.
The tracker says he was here 3 hours ago. Now it says he's 2 clicks southwest. We need to go this way.
Imagine you and 50,000 of your closest friends about to play a football game on the edge of a razor blade. That should give you an idea of the scale of creature we're dealing with here. Protists are eukaryotic, which means they have a nuclei, unlike prokaryotic organisms, which do not. They're also unicellular, which in layman's terms means they're only made up of one cell, you throbbing dope. Protists are also heterotrophic, and they're also the cause of some of mankind's most prolific killers, including amoebic dysentery, potato blight, and malaria. Now tell me, can you see them?
See what?
The protists.
But they're microscopic.
Look harder!
I'm trying.
Look!
Wait. Yes, I see them. I see them.
It says we're right on him. What's he doing?
He's digging. I thought you said he was with someone else.
I swore he was.
Did you verify that? Alright. I'm gonna run out there and I'm gonna tackle him. All I need you to do is you're gonna take the sedative, you're gonna put it in his neck. You got that?
Got it.
Alright. On 3. 1, 2, 3. What the?
Well, Squirrel must have swallowed the tracking device.
That was a big squirrel.
Ugh. What are we gonna do now?
Let's go back to the car. We can figure something out.
Alright.
Would you care for a peanut butter pine cone?
Oh, no thank you. But I'll take some of that peanut butter, though. Where'd you get it?
Found it.
How long ago?
What month is it?
May?
About 3 years ago. There are still 2 kingdoms you've yet to learn. Allow me to enlighten you on the splendor of kingdoms fungi and bacteria. Fungi are a pretty interesting kingdom, from the psychedelic psilocybin mushroom to the dreaded trichophyton fungi responsible for athlete's foot. Fungi are a vital part of the ecosystem. While some fungi might look like plants, there is one very fundamental difference between them. The cell walls of fungi contain chitin, or as the cell walls of plants contain cellulose.
We took a wrong turn.
Is that the test subject?
Yeah, look at his hair.
Do you have the sedative ready?
Yeah, I only got one. Wait for the fat one to leap up.
And now for the real scum of the earth, the kingdom of bacteria. Throughout the history of mankind, bacteria has been responsible for the deaths of countless billions through devastating diseases such as the Black Plague, leprosy, cholera, and meningitis. But of course, lumberjacks can't get sick. On the other hand, there are some beneficial traits to bacteria. For instance, some can relieve diarrhea, reduce inflammation, and even help prevent colon cancer. So next time you run a fever, thank old man bacteria. He killed plenty of your ancestors, and you're next.
What?
Nothing. But there's much more to learn.
Thanks, Yorgen. I really have learned a lot today, but I'm really sleepy.
Well, you've had a big day, being abandoned in the woods and all. But tomorrow, we've much more to learn. And plus, I'm making pancakes.
I don't think you've taught me about those.
I'm going to get some syrup. Good night!
Good night, Yorgen.
$52! There's been a tussle here. I think we took him. 52!
Back at the camp. Let's go.
Don't you worry, 52! I'm coming for you!
Holy crap, who is that?
My God, it's Lumberjack. The one that was with 52. He's coming to get him. We gotta go.
He's fine. He's just sedated.
Wait!
Here are the keys!
We got places to be. Come on!
What do we do now, Mr. Burkfield?
Do we go after him?
God, no.
Good morning.
Yorgen?
Yes, 52?
What happened? I think I got attacked or something.
Nathan, you didn't get attacked. You're completely fine here on the beach. Would you like some pancakes?
Yes, Yorgen. That'd be great.
Born with an axe in his hands. I didn't know what to think. A kinda hairy with a big black beard, and it kinda stinks. He lives in the woods, protecting his land. Has a flannel shirt. Does not know what he is, but he's got his destiny. Ooh, it's a lumberjack, doing what lumberjacks do, saving people from the white coats in the woods. Oh, it's a lumberjack, it's a lumberjack, making pancakes from scratch. Oh, it's a lumberjack with his axe. On his quest to save his friend, called 52, we learn about different things in the woods with our lumberjack friend. Lumberjack, doing what they do, saving people from the white coats in the woods. It's a lumberjack, it's a lumberjack, making pancakes from scratch. It's a lumberjack, it's a lumberjack, watch him swing his axe.